Hello everybody and welcome back to Address Advisors. We are at Hyderabad and what I'm about to show you today is a project that is nothing less of a masterpiece. This is plot number 3 at Golden Mile Layout Road and this is the exact site of the Trilight. Now before I take you inside, let me give you a short brief on the location itself. Since you're in Kokapet, you have direct access to Outer Ring Road, Financial District, Gachibowli and major business hubs like Amazon, Microsoft, Google and IKEA. For families, you have top-tier international schools and multi-speciality hospitals like Continental. Everything is within reach. The airport is just 20 to 30 minutes away. Now let me take you inside and show you what sets this project apart from every other luxury high-rise. The project sits on a 4.24-acre land parcel with only 462 units spread across 3 majestic towers that is named after stars. You get the Canopus at 59 floors, Rigel at 49 and Vega at 46 floors. Now to serve these 462 families, you get a staggering 1 lakh square feet amenities that is split vertically as 3 separate clubhouses at different levels. So this means you get features like a sky-high infinity pool that is overlooking the Gandhipet and the Kokapet lake. Now see, the space is massive. 3 and 4 BHK ranging from 2,888 to 5,777 square feet. But the peak exclusivity belongs to the Sky Castle, spanning over 11,333 square feet. And there are only 18 of these exclusive residences. Now let me explain the master layout. This is the clubhouse and this is the central courtyard called the Atrium of Life. Now you'll get to have a 360 view of the entire project from the central courtyard. Now Canopus and Rigel consist of 4 units per floor. You get the 4,777 square feet at the corners and the 3,888 square feet in between. And these are west-facing units. Whereas Rigel comes with the 3,666 apartments at the corners and the 2,888 square feet apartments in between, also west-facing. Whereas Vega has west-facing units ranging from 5,777 square feet. This is a 4 BHK model flat measuring 4,777 square feet. Now as you enter, the first thing that you will notice is this 8 feet door. Now this 4 BHK model flat compromises 2 living rooms for formal and informal gathering and a dining area that is connected to the kitchen for convenient access. You get a total of 4 bedrooms, that is a multi-purpose room, a guest room, a kid's bedroom and the master's bedroom that provides privacy and comfort. You also get a dedicated puja room and the overall design focuses on functionality. The apartment also comes with a lovely massive balcony. Now in the master's bedroom, you can convert this window into a door if you would like to have direct access to the balcony. A blueprint this ambitious requires a bulletproof execution. So to turn this layout into a reality, D. Blue Loke and P. Mangatram have partnered with India's engineering giants. Project management is also fully driven by Tata Projects. The prices for these apartments starts from 3.5 crores and goes all the way up to 18 crores. If you want more details on this project, then reach out to Address Advisors for site visit. This was an overview of the Trilight Residences. I will see you again.